face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. My name is Nanaya and I do videos about how to make money online and learn as well. So if you're new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then kindly hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. In this video I discovered a website which pays you $10 or more just to give your feedbacks on applications and websites. Yes, it pays $10 or more just to give feedbacks on websites and application. So without wasting much time, let's talk about this website. So the name of it is Ferpection. Yes, Ferpection. What is perfection? Work online, give your opinion on mobile sites and applications. Very good. So get heard, brands listen, your opinion counts. Very good. And then how does it work? You just explore sites and applications using your smartphone or tablet. Yes, just by using your smartphone or tablet, send positive and negative feedbacks after exploring the website, after exploring the applications. What are the feedbacks? Were they positive? Were they negative? You just send them, and once it's been sent, they are going to review. It's their moderators. When they are done and your review or your feedback is being approved, you are going to get paid for that. Okay, so by then, what is a feedback? A feedback is a screenshot with accompanying clear description. You can report positive and negative elements. That is a good one. So they also have a video here, discover the testing app, in this short video. So I'll leave the link under the description, so make sure you check it out and then you click on it so that it directs you to the right place. When you're here, you can watch this video or short video to get more understanding on how to do the testing. So if you're new here, all you have to do is you can click on this button where it says start earning money, or you can also click on this one says become a tester. So let me take you to the registration process. So what you have to do is you click on this one. Very good. When you click on it, it will first open a page where you have to insert your email, and then you create a password for yourself. Very good. Once you are done with that, it will direct you here. Help us create your profile in 2 minutes. Before we start, please answer the following questions. So in which country are you living? Okay, so you can select United States. I mean, the people in the United States, it's good for you to select your country, but we, or those of us who are in Africa, who are outside the United States, we are going to select United States of America, and then we click on next. So finish all the steps to earn €2. Yes, after creating your profile, you are going to earn €2, which is really good. Okay, so help us create your profile. What is your name? So all you have to do is you type in your name here. Next, what is your birth year? If you are a young boy, I mean if you are 20 or below, please make sure you use this year, which is 1990. Okay, who are you? This is this one, I don't have to say it. And then you click on next. So here is a sample of what you are going to be doing. With Ferpection, you give feedback on sites and mobile apps you get to try. Here are 3 examples. So as you can see here, this is just a sample. When you are given a site to explore, you take a screenshot of it. This is a sample of a site. So as you can see here, like the site, this is a feedback that you have to give. Site not optimized for mobile reading, the writing is too small, and categories are not ordered in any way that makes sense. So you see that with these screenshots, the writings are too small and it is difficult to read these tests. Very good. So this is what you have to write after seeing something like this, after exploring the site or the application. You just write the feedback. What you see is what you write. Very good. What you see is what you write. So you see this screenshot, the writings are too small, and then the categories are not ordered in way that makes sense. As you can see, the categories are not well arranged. As I said, you see, you write what you saw or what you see. So next, this is also another one. At first glance, I was overwhelmed by the amount of information on the page. The layout is confusing and all the scrolling banners are distracting. You see, the layout is confusing. As you can check here, or you can see here, the layout is really confusing. So that's what you have to write. You write what you see. And then this looks like payment website or something like that. So this is it. This is the feedback that you have to write after seeing something like this. Only a credit card can be used to pay. It would be nice to have other payment options like PayPal. You see that in here they have only PayPal, credit cards. So you can also give them a feedback like it would be nice, or it would be interesting, good if they add payment method or payment option like PayPal, and then you are good to go. This is really easy, guys. Make sure you take this advantage and earn real easy money from here. I understand. So after that, you hit on I understand, and then they will give you a sample of this. You can click here to translate. You see the language has changed to I don't know which peoples speak this language though, but you can click here to translate it to English. Try again. Seems my network is really bad. My network is really bad. Yes, it's your turn. Let's test the ecaassurances.com site. So they've given you a sample here. So what do you see from this picture? So after viewing this picture very well and finding any issue, you just hit in here and then you write blah 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 blah. After that, you hit on we continue, and it will take you to another page where you are going to take the screenshots and submit it. That is it, and you are going to earn a lot of money doing this over and over and over again. So guys, this is what I have for you. I think I would have to end here. As I said, I'll leave the link under the description, so make sure you check it out and then you click on it for registration. So this is what I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you loved it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you do that, it motivates me to do more researches and bring you the results. Yeah, if you do that, it gives me more motivation. It motivates me to do more, like to do researches and bring you the results. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and learn as well. Guys, I'll end here. Hope to see you next time in the next video. Bye.